Clearly part of Mumbai's lucrative illegal construction racket. Many people telling CNN IBN the entire system is broken. Even as 36 policemen were suspended in mass action in Kulra.
And 15 of them were caught on camera taking a bribe to allow illegal construction. Here's the Mumbai Police Commissioner Satpal Singh on action being taken.
As soon as we came to know when this CD was played on some channels, then we found that some constables are taking the money. Immediately we asked our officers to suspend these constables, and all the constables and the in charge of the police station have already been suspended. And to have a very fair and impartial inquiry and investigation into this case, whether somebody else also is also involved, we have given this case to Anti-Corruption Bureau. Anti-Corruption Bureau has registered a case and they will be making the investigation. I would like to assure you and assure the viewers that if anybody is found involved, necessary legal action will be taken against them.
The Mumbai Police Commissioner agreeing that this was a shameful act, but also saying they're waiting for the preliminary inquiry report.
You see, I definitely admit that it is very shameful, condemnable act on the part of these constables, of this policemen, and to not to have this kind of incident. We have taken the meeting, we have given instructions to all these fellows. But there is perhaps there is some history behind it, why it all happened, because it is not a one-day affair. This is not a one-day sting operation. I think after the preliminary inquiry has been conducted, we came to know that it was done for about 8 to 10 days, and it started in the March. And people were called, some people really went there and they accepted the money, the way the money has been paid, and it has also appeared in the press today that around this 45,000 rupees have been distributed to around 36 these constables. Earlier the complaint was 31st January complaint. It was basically mentioning the name of only corporation officials. It never mentioned the name of any policeman. And when this complaint was brought to the notice of the Anti-Corruption Bureau, that complaint was forwarded to BMC Commissioner for necessary action. But as far as this thing is concerned, yes, we admit it was, I think, the biggest, I would not call it the biggest blunder, but they have done this, a criminal misconduct on the part of the policemen.
So 36 policemen suspended, but what about higher-ups who could also have been involved? Some reports saying the policemen were also collecting money on behalf of a senior police officer. Here's what the Mumbai Police Commissioner had to say.
Though the senior inspector, nowhere it has figured, nowhere it has come to our notice that somebody has collected the money on their behalf or something, but being the in charge of the police station, it was basically his responsibility to have check and the control over his men, because he failed, he has a slack supervision. That is why the in charge of the police station has also been suspended.
The police commissioner also saying that there should be zero tolerance for this kind of criminal conduct.
I think it would be a good lesson, a very good lesson, that there is zero tolerance for this kind of the misconduct, criminal misconduct on the part of any policeman, whether junior or senior. If anybody is found indulging in such kind of the corrupt practices, nobody would be spared. That message must go very clear to all the policemen and the all officers. And it will certainly, as far as public is concerned, it will certainly give the trust of the members of the public in the police system.